Hey guys, so here I have this Romac TV stand and I want to show you a little bit about this. So I just got this in and this is a black finish all the way throughout. Looks really sleek, really modern. I love how these panels and the doors are on the front because it just gives it such a nice modern look because there are 4 doors, and what's cool about this is you can actually change the doors to different spots because they're all the same size. So if you want to put one of these over here, you can do that, and it just helps suit your needs of what you're looking for. Now, this TV stand is 59 inches long and it has a decent amount of space on the inside for you to fit all of your stuff. For me, I like to put my Wi-Fi box, different books, magazines, extra candles inside these panels, and also any charging cables or anything like that. For me, I have my Xbox over here on the side that I do have right next to it, and I like to put my controllers inside here as well with like the headsets and stuff. It's got plenty of storage with that. So this TV stand was actually pretty easy to build. The hardest part about it is just lining up these little doors, and the hinges on the inside have just a couple bolts where if you just figure out what to do, which I'm gonna show you in this video, if you adjust this bolt right here, it's gonna help you enable to line this up in and out. It just makes this a lot easier. I didn't know this when I was starting. It just made it a lot harder for myself, but after you know that, it's super easy. The shelf space on the inside is actually really big, and you can actually adjust these up or low depending on what suits your needs. So if you do want to put something a little bit bigger in here, you can put that shelf down here or up top. So that definitely is just a nice preference to have. So this TV stand actually suits up to a 60 to an 80 inch TV. And for reference, my TV is actually an 85 inch. And you can see I kind of have the camera centered up. It just overhangs a little bit. So when I step back and I'm sitting on my couch, it really isn't that big of a deal. It looks like it fits absolutely perfect. So you guys can decide what you think, but this is an 85 inch TV. This is a Vizio paired up with this TV stand. I think it looks amazing. If anyone does own an Xbox watching this or a newer one, this matches completely perfect. So the black with the black, it just corresponds and flows with this TV stand. Amazing. I did not expect that, and I'm really happy that it does just line up and match. Now on the bottom, you're gonna have 5 different legs, and this does have a decent amount of room underneath. Right now, currently, I have my Wi-Fi box underneath, and it does provide me with a lot of room, so you can store a couple things under here. We get black legs on the side. You can see how wide this is. You can fit a lot of stuff on the inside. There are no bolts or screws on the outside, which just gives this a nice flush look. Now, as I open this up on the inside, you're gonna have 4 different holes in the back that are gonna help provide different cable access to you, which is gonna be really nice. We got 2 in the bottom and 2 up top. So if you are running cables for anything, if you wanna stash some, if you wanna put some surge protectors in here or adapters like I am gonna do, that is gonna make that very easy because my old TV stand had just a couple holes on the top but not on the bottom, but now I have 4 holes, so this is gonna make this super easy. The shelf on here does come out and is transferable, and there's actually a little groove on the bottom of this shelf that sits right into this peg, so when I pull this back and forth, it doesn't slide out at all you have to do is just put the peg up here on each side, and then you can lift this shelf up or down, making this super versatile. One thing to note about this is it doesn't have handles on it, so you do just have to pull it from the top, but it's a really nice smooth hinge, and you just got to be careful when shutting it so you don't smack it. But overall, that just gives it a very sleek look. I wasn't sure how I like the no handle look, but overall I do love it, and it's almost just like a secret compartment because since there aren't handles, people may not think that there's things stored inside, which just cleans up the house and just makes it look really sleek and modern. So overall, I really like this TV stand. Super easy to build, really quick, really high quality materials, and it just looks amazing overall. So if you're looking for a nice TV stand to suit your 60 to 80, 85 inch TV, this is the one that you're gonna want. It looks really nice. Don't forget to add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.